Well, I trade only those stocks which are in the top industry groups. Now, notice that I have mentioned industry groups, not industries. Why do I say that? There is a difference between an industry and an industry group. For example, let's say healthcare. Healthcare is an industry. Within healthcare, you have industry groups. For example, within healthcare, you will have hospitals, you will have diagnostics, you will have pharmaceuticals, and so on. So, healthcare is an industry, and all of these that I mentioned just now are industry groups. So, as you can see on the screen, this is the MarketSmith India website. And what MarketSmith India does is that they divide the entire stock market into total 197 industry groups, not industries. They have done this in the US market, and now they have applied the same concept to the Indian market, which comes to Indian investors or traders as a blessing. Okay, because MarketSmith India is giving a ranking to each industry. The rank goes from 1 to 197. Okay, so we could choose to go in the top industries. We could choose to select stocks only from the top industries. Now, that doesn't mean that if an industry is not performing, the stock within that industry cannot go up. There are industries which are not performing, but some stocks within those industries are doing very well. So, for example, an industry group might have a rank of, let's say, 151. Okay, that's a poor industry rank. Out of 197, you are ranking at 151. Okay, that's a poor industry rank. But one of the stocks in that industry has got a relative strength of 95, which means that stock has done better than 95% of the entire stock market based on its 52-week price for performance. That's what I mean when I say there are industry groups where the industry might not be doing well, but some stocks in that industry are doing very well. That is evident from the price strength of the stock. However, I personally have noticed that whenever I was trading stocks within industry rank of, whenever I was trading stocks which had industry rank of 41 or more than 41, okay, my batting average went down. Okay, and whenever I was trading stocks in industries ranked 1 to 40, that is the top 20% of the industries based on their performance, I realized that my batting average went up. Now, what is batting average? Well, it's a percentage of winning trades. So if I take 100 trades and 45 trades out of 100 go in my favor, then my batting average is 45. So the point is, if I pick stocks from the top 40 industries, depending on the performance, okay, if the performance of these top 40 industries is better than the industry performance of all the other industries, they are in the top 40. They are the top 40 industry groups, which is top 20% of the best performing industries, correct? So if I pick stocks from those industries, I have a higher probability of success. So if you look at this filter, here you see group rank, industry group rank. Great means industry rank 1 to 20. Now, how do they come up with these industry rankings? Well, they look at the performance of an industry. Every industry group has got stocks. The collective performance of the stock becomes the performance of the industry. And for each of the industry group, okay, I'm using the word industry in place of industry group, but you get my point, right? So the performance of an industry group is calculated on a 6-month basis. And that is how you rank industries. Whichever industry has got the best 6-month performance, that industry will be ranked one. And whichever industry group has got the worst 6-month performance, that industry will be having a rank of 197. And you put it by that descending order. So good and great. So if I am selecting stocks which have industry rank from 1 to 40, which is what MarketSmith recommends, okay, this is their research, by the way. This It's not my personal research, or I have not pioneered this. I'm just following the instructions given by William O'Neill, who is the creator of MarketSmith and Investors Business Daily, and Patrick Walker, who is a veteran trader. So these are my mentors. Okay, and they trade stocks which are in the top 40 industry groups. So I trade stocks which are in the top 40 industry groups. As simple as that. Okay. I don't want to compromise on the quality of stocks that I am trading. Okay. So that's just by clicking these two parameters, it automatically gives me a list of the top stocks in the top industries. Okay. I can select the best stocks based on the relative strength. For a relative strength, I have made a different video, but this was about industry group. So let's look at an example. Okay. So if I scroll down, here you have a company called Zomato, very famous company in India. Now look at this. What's the industry group ranking of Zomato? Now Zomato comes in what industry? Zomato comes in NSE retail internet industry. Okay. So basically, a consumer can directly go on the internet and order products from Zomato. Zomato is basically a food delivery application. Okay. So the group rank is 13. Now, what does this mean? Now, if I click here, see, they explain it here itself. Industry group rank indicates that Zomato's industry group retail internet has shown strong price performance. Okay. Top 13 out of 197 industry groups. The majority of leading stocks are usually in leading industries. By the way, this text is coming directly from William O'Neill's book, How to Make Money in Stocks. Okay. The majority of leading stocks are usually in leading industries. So this is a leading industry as long as the rank is between 1 and 40. The MarketSmith studies show that roughly half of the stock's move is driven by strength of his respective group. What does this mean? So let's say if the stock goes up 20% in 1 year, okay, 10% of that move is attributable because of the strong industry performance. Okay. MarketSmith divides stock into 197 industry groups. We then rank them on a 6-month price performance, with number one group being the best performer. Concentrate your research on stocks in the top 40 groups. Okay. Zomato in the retail internet industry group, which ranks 13 out of 197. Okay. So they are telling you how they are calculating the performance of an industry. They look at the 6-month performance of each of these 197 industry groups, and then they just rank them based on the performance, the 6-month performance. Very simple. Okay. Now, if I close this, let's go to the industry, I click here. So Zomato is a stock which comes in the top industry. So you look at here, this is retail internet, this is the industry. Okay. This is the chart of the industry. These are stocks within the industry. As you can see, majority of the share of the industry is with Zomato. Okay. All other companies have a very small market cap. If you add up the market cap of all other companies in the industry, okay, it would not even come close to the market cap of Zomato. So the entire performance of the industry is driven by one stock, which is Zomato. So that this way, you could also get an idea of whether one stock is pulling an industry up, or there are multiple stocks that are pulling the industry up. Okay, so that gives you diversification or concentration within the industry group. That's a different topic which we'll discuss later. But look at the graph of the industry. Okay, this is the graph of the industry. This is the performance of the industry. It combines the performance of all the stocks in that particular industry group. That's a very good performance. Okay. So that's why it is coming in the top industry group. So that is why I prefer to trade stocks which are in the best industry group. So that is what I wanted to discuss in this. Basically, the moral of the story is just go here. If you use MarketSmith, okay, just go here in your filter, just select these two and that's it. You don't have to do much thinking. All the thinking, all the research, all the analysis is done by MarketSmith for you. Okay. That is the reason why I have become a member or a pro subscriber of MarketSmith. I don't recommend MarketSmith. I don't endorse. I don't support or whatever. I don't have affiliation with them. Okay. All I'm saying is that the analysis that these guys are doing, okay, it simplifies stock analysis for me. If I can just press two buttons and I get the top 40 industry, I mean, that saves me a lot of time. Okay. And this is factual data. This is not based on some personal opinion or some analyst or broking company report. This is factual. This is actual performance that was looked at, analyzed, and the ranking was given. Okay. It's a ranking based system. So it makes my job easy. That is why I pay. Okay. So if you have any questions or comments on this video, please let me know, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, so that these kind of videos reach more like-minded people who want to become good professional traders just like you. Okay. Thank you so much.